I'm now leaving South Africa, heading to the General Assembly in Dublin.
Come with me as I journey through the General Assembly. I'll be departing from Kingston, Jamaica.
Going right into Dublin for WorldSkills 2023 General Assembly.
I feel so excited and honored to be part of the General Assembly 2023.
I can't wait to see what myself and my colleagues get up to this week.
What I'm most excited about this week is to meet the various members of the board, the delegates from different regions, different countries, who are all here to support the WorldSkills movement.
The thing I'm most looking forward to this week is seeing my Champions Trust team again and expanding my WorldSkills family.
Where are you going?
We met each other for the very first time in our training camp in Lyon.
We are ambassadors of the WorldSkills movement.
We need them to come back as trainers to be integrated into the system.
The highlight today was to see the big hall with the whole members and the whole table with the board.
Turn your social business idea into reality.
Amazing, thank you so much.
What is your role in WorldSkills?
I am a technical delegate. Together, we are WorldSkills.